LeBron James USA basketball team's department for 2020 Olympics opening ceremonies. The 2020 Olympics officially start on Friday, which means LeBron James is getting ready for the duties as flag bearer for the United States. LeBron James and the entire USA basketball delegation, a total of 32 men's and women's players on the 5x5 and 3x3 teams, were filmed leaving their hotel to head to the scene for the opening ceremonies. Even though some events have been going on in Paris since Wednesday, the opening ceremonies marks the official start on the Olympics. In a break from traditional, the ceremony won't be taken place inside of a stadium. Instead, the parade of athletes will begin at the scene with boats taking each national delegation around Paris and many historical landmarks in the city, including the Notre Dame, the Paris Cathedral, and the Louvre. James and tennis star Coco Gauff have been selected as the flag bearer for the United States. This is the second straight Olympics that the ceremony has designed one male and one female athlete to carry their country flag. The Los Angeles Lakers superstar is the first men's basketball player to be the US flag bearer at the Olympics. Dawn Staley 2004 and Sue Bird 2020 are the only their American basketball players to receive the honor. Stephen Curry, James' teammate for USA Basketball, nominated LeBron for the honor. The 2024 opening ceremonies will begin at 1:30 p.m. ET. James and Team USA will play their first game of the Olympics on Sunday against Serbia. So please subscribe the channel.